We are on a mission to tackle one of the biggest threats to human health.
Imagine replacing months of tablets with just one single injection.
We are constantly at war with one of the most sophisticated communities on this planet.
As populations grow and people live longer, the need for effective life-saving treatments and improved patient outcomes is becoming increasingly urgent. In response, expert teams at the University of Liverpool are advancing the frontiers of science, developing the next generation of scientists, and leading the discovery of tomorrow's healthcare technologies. At the Open Innovation Hub for Antimicrobial Surfaces, researchers are analysing biofilms, complex colonies of bacteria responsible for 3/4 of microbial infections and over $380 billion in annual healthcare costs.
Biofilms start when single cells in the environment find a surface and attach to it. Once they're attached, they grow and multiply. If we can prevent this attachment, we'd stop the problem right at the onset.
This multidisciplinary team is using cutting-edge imaging technology to look at the interactions between bacteria and surfaces at the molecular and single-cell level.
This knowledge is the platform and the engine for innovation. This allows us to design surfaces for the future.
The Hub is working across multiple industrial sectors, including work developing antimicrobial glass for touchscreens. The team is also investigating medical glove surfaces to prevent infection transfer in hospitals, and their research is informing the surface design of orthopedic implants to reduce surgical site infections. This is just part of their work as a founding member of the National Biofilms Innovation Centre, a critical partnership between academia and industry driving innovation across the UK.
Our knowledge is going to allow us to mitigate the threats of biofilms and ultimately allow us to use biofilms for our own benefit.
Bacteria and viruses developing resistance to infection treatments driven by the misuse of antibiotics and other antimicrobial medicines could lead to around 10 million deaths per year by 2050 if no solution is found.
In the School of Engineering, we're really pioneering developing new antimicrobials. We're trying to unlock the potential of nature to develop new treatments to fight off bacteria.
The multidisciplinary team is exploring nitric oxide and antimicrobial peptides as they're able to attack bacteria in multiple ways.
The challenge really is how to deliver these really potent agents at the right time, the right dose. And so what we do in our lab is create personalized precision drug delivery platforms.
They're working on innovative solutions such as electrospun nanofibers and 3D printed patches that are useful in skin and dental treatments, as well as hydrogel patches in contact lenses for eye infections.
We're completely reinventing the wheel, taking a new solution and a new approach. We're hoping that the work will lead to clinical translation and real-world impact in 10 to 15 years' time.
Missing pill doses can really reduce a drug's effectiveness or even be life-threatening. Co-led by Professor Andrew Owen, the Multidisciplinary Centre of Excellence for Long-Acting Therapeutics is combining materials chemistry with world-leading pharmacology to pioneer single-dose treatments that could replace months of daily tablets.
The way we do that is we take very, very poorly water-soluble drugs and we make nanoparticles of those, which we disperse into water. Those can be injected. You get all the medication you need without any interruption to that medication. And that really secures the long-term benefits of the treatment.
The centre hosts HALO, the hub for advanced long-acting therapeutics, which aims to put the UK at the forefront of this healthcare technology.
What we're trying to do here is really advance the science of long-acting therapies, but also generate new medicines which the world hasn't got right now.
Two of the research programmes are very close to clinical trials, treatments for latent tuberculosis and treatments for hepatitis C, both of which traditionally require numerous tablets over many months.
What we're developing is a single injection which will cure you of hepatitis C without any further intervention at all. It's not too big a statement to say that long-acting therapeutics could be a revolution for medicine, saving hundreds of millions of pounds just in the UK. And for the patient, it could really revolutionise their quality of life.